So we jumping right into the video because I did not make an intro, but this is the first time I'm doing I've done cut crease looks before, but this is the first time I'm doing a cut crease look, and then I add the little, you're gonna see the little eyeliner. Ooh, I felt good after that. I was like, and I didn't get no good pictures of my makeup. I'm kind of low-key mad. But I'm just putting on my base, aka concealer, and I'm using Beauty Glaze Gorgeous Me, and I'm showing you the color I'm using. And I use that first. I mean, you want to see. It's basically so easy to follow. So I'm going to stop talking, and you look. Okay, just want to jump back in to the video because I can't really explain this through text. So you see the glitter eyeliner I'm using. I'm putting it where my the crease stops. I'm putting it right above there, and I messed up a little bit, but that's okay. But I think it turned out pretty good. And if you're wondering why my grandma started combing my hair in a few minutes, it's because I was trying to hurry up, which is why I messed up on the liner part on the left side of my eye. But yeah.